Yeah, Billy Nitro, your internet knife and gun guru. Here we are, guys, back with another episode. Chinese SKS, K-Sports / GLNIC SKS. We're gonna let you guys take a look at it. This is a sweetie. This is a score I picked up from a buddy up in Upper East Tennessee. Go check him out. His name is Gunpowder Nitro. He helped with this score right here. He's a good feller, so you guys go check him out. I'm gonna drop a link to his channel down in the comments. He does nitro, does gun videos, so go check him out. Give him a sub. He's building his channel. So anyways, guys, GLNIC SKS / K-Sports. This is the talk from the old timers that you hear about from the $79, $99 SKSs in the old gun shops back in the old days, stacked up on a pallet. This is the ones you hear about. Now this is not a Norinco, so it's GLNIC / K-Sports. That's who put these out. Pretty sweet. And I thought it was a Norinco at first, but it's not. It's basically brand new. I don't know that it's ever been fired. We'll let you guys take a closer look at it here in just a second. We're probably going to have to go in the house. Getting a little dark on us out here. This is a sweetie, guys. Mint condition, mint. Not like my old Norinco or my old Type 56 shooter condition. This one's mint. Don't know that I'm gonna fire it. That's a question for you guys. Should I fire it? Should I fire this one? Some say fire them, or should we just keep it a piece of history? So, got the box, got all the accessories. Let's check her out, guys. All right, guys, here we are. The unboxing of the K-Sports / GLNIC. Got the old Norinco up there at the top here. Just do a little comparison if we need to. A little something I'm gonna talk about to show you a comparison here. But yeah, guys, we're gonna unbox it. This is vintage 1992, so it doesn't get much better than this. The old legends you hear about in the gun shops of $69, $95 SKS is out the door, $100 SKS is out the door. This is what you would see. This is what it was. They'd come in by the crates. These are commercial, strictly commercial rifles here. Same as the Norinco, but not the Type 56. So, unbox her here. And this, I mean, look at that guy. Look at all the accessories that come with it. Is this cool or what? So this is how I got it. I mean, she is mint. I don't know. She may have been test fired. I really don't know. If it has been fired, it's not been fired much. So I hope we got the lighting going on here good. And we got some gold laying out here right now with the COVID / election ammo buying frenzy we got going on. 60, 75 cent around 9mm right now. $1 around 5.56. Craziness going on. Buy against the trends, guys. Buy against the trend. So anyways, let's unbox her. So there's the old stripper clip bandolier here, Chinese. It is marked, so it's very cool. Got the wooden, I don't know what you'd call that, whatever, tie downs, whatever you want to call them, I don't know. Check out the markings there on that. You know, I would read that to you, but I'm just, in the sake of time, I'm not gonna read that all to you, but you see 7.62 there. 35.14 and the rest of that, yeah, but very cool, very cool. So I'll definitely be wearing this. What else we got going on in here? I'm gonna show you something really cool, guys. This is probably the coolest part other than the rifle. You're gonna see it right now. Check this out. Is this cool or what? Not only do we have the instructions manual here, it's got some Cosmoline from the SKSs on it there. Look at that. Is that cool or what? Now, K-Sports, they imported a lot of stuff. This was imported in Los Angeles, California. You won't see that again. But the AKs, the Norinco AKs come in just like this, in boxes just like this, a little different box. A buddy of mine on Facebook showed me a picture of his. But this is cool, guys. I mean, you just don't see much like this anymore. That is cool. There's the instructions manual that they sent out with them. Pretty cool, I've read it. Only instructions manual I've probably ever read. Pretty cool. Just a piece of history. Take a drink every time I say history in this video. So there's our instructions manual. We got a cool little oil bottle here. Oil bottle. I actually have a couple of these I've scored off eBay that are more square. Okay, now we have our stripper clips, which I'm not going to get into very much because they're packed in Cosmoline, I would assume. But most are marked Chinese or China, just like this one right here. Some of them are not marked at all, but this is one that come out of the package here, and I'll put a round in it for you. Not like my other Chinese stripper clips. We're going to set these off to the side because they're nasty. You can see down in there. They all seem to be there, all 20. And that was how they would have come, 20 in a bundle. These are my other ones I've scored off eBay. Supposedly Chinese. They're marked 201. See right there in the middle there. And you can see the heat treat on them there. A little different there. These right here are awesome, but these seem to be fairly good as well. They're definitely not the old USA made ones, so cool stuff. Now, well, two more things. We have the extension. This actually come on my Norinco too. I had one of these that come on my Norinco. And we have the cleaning kit that come with them. Now, for whatever reason, this will not fit in the buttstock. This slides down over your muzzle, and you can run your cleaning rod down through there, and it keeps you from messing with your crown on your barrel. So, but this is bulged out, so I think they threw the wrong one in. Just barely too big for the hole in the end of the buttstock there, the trap door. But still pretty cool. My other ones from my other SKSs fit in it. Very cool. But here she is, guys. You see she's still in the box. It's actually, I think the box is actually missing one piece that would have set over top the gun. I guess what we'll do is I'll pull the rifle out. Just so cool, so cool. Set that right there next to the old Norinco there. Okay, guys, so there's a little comparison. Of course, this is shooter grade, and this is mint as they come. Bluing is perfect on it. Check out the sling there. It's got the green painted slide on there. Anyways, there's a quick comparison of the two. Now, the difference here, Norincos were basically built of parts left over from the Type 56 SKS, okay? You'll have serialized trigger guard, magazine, your upper dust cover to your upper receiver there, lower receiver, I guess, and your stock. Now this one, these were made strict, I mean, the Norincos are made for commercial too, but they were made of leftover parts. These were made strictly for commercial. So you will not have serialized trigger guard, magazine. You'll basically have 3 serial numbers on here. the stock, the bolt, the receiver, and the bolt carrier. That's where your serial numbers are on this one. There's the 3 on the side block there, and you'll see the same on there, or that's got the Roman numeral. And just a sweet rifle. Let me give you a closer look over here. Now this, you'll note right here, has the riveted bayonet there. Now this one does not, but it is staked. It has a screw on the other side. This is just a rivet. So this is of military parts put together for commercial market. This is strictly commercial. The parts were made or not of military parts that to my knowledge. You have a stamped trigger guard, which is the same as on the Norinco here. My Type 56 is a milled. This is known as a French tickler here. It has the like Bakelite / resin gas tube cover there. That's wood though. Just a sweet piece. Beautiful little piece of history here. Vintage 1992. As you can see, I cover up the serial numbers on my stuff, but you see the 92 there. It's a C prefix on the serial number. There's the receiver there. I'm getting the light here. Compared to my Top 56 here, Arsenal 26. Those Chinese letters up there stand for Top 56. That's Arsenal 26. And you can see imported Norinco. Then you come down here compared to this. This has nothing over here. So it's a non-Norinco. So this would have come after the Norincos were, or during Norincos being imported. But that's just cool, imported in Los Angeles, California. They're crazy gun laws they have nowadays. Now let's flip them over here. It is just flawless. Front of that bolt is just perfect. There's your, I believe these are chrome lined. I believe they are. Let me take a better look there. I'm not 100% sure that is chrome lined. I'm not sure. Maybe you guys in the comment section can let us know if this is chrome lined or not. Just a sweet piece. You can tell if there's ammo been down in that magazine. It doesn't show. Look at that follower. It's just perfect. You just don't see them in this condition very much. 1992. Edges are just sharp on everything. No worn edges. As a comparison to something that's been used a little bit, this Norinco's not been used much, but you can tell things have a little wear on them. You can see it got a little rust. Of course, I had to replace this cover on here. On this one, it come with a little rust on it. It had a red dot malum on top of the, somebody took the original off of it. CSI, that's China Sports International. I got this one for under 400 bucks at a pawn shop. The stock's got a, looks like it's been on fire or something, but you know, it's a shooter. This one's around, this is a 24 million gun right here. Now, there's like upwards of 25 million of these guns made, or these rifles. And this is a, I believe it's a 1980 Norinco right there. If you haven't seen any of my other SKS videos, which are fairly big, for me anyway, especially one of them. One of them's about to hit 1 million views. Go check out my comparison on the Norinco and the Type 56. I'll drop a link to it in the description there if you haven't seen that video. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to unbox this beautiful piece of history from 1992. You know, you can go look at any of my SKS videos down in the comments. You'll see people, I used to get these for 100 bucks, blah, 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 blah. So this is what they used to get out of the gun shops right here. Mint condition. You just don't see that very much. These old repurposed ammo pouches here. Anyways, guys, here's some 154 grain soft points. Tula. Very cool. So anyways, guys, thank you guys for stopping by and hanging out with me. Sub up to the channel if you're not on the channel. You can't see all these awesome videos if you're not subbed up. I'm gonna box this one back up, throw it in the safe. And who knows, we may shoot it. You know, we may shoot it, I don't know. I'm still torn. If we do though, you guys will see it first. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna put this one in the history books. And we'll catch you guys on the next one, guys. Yeah, Billy. Over and out of here, guys. Peace.